Mrs. Mason from the Highland Virtual Academy, and welcome to the next literacy lesson. This is a second level literacy lesson, and it's a reading lesson, and it's number 3 in our series looking at a book called How to Skin a Bear. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at repetition, the use of repetition, and what effect that might have in a book. So, before we do the questions, we need to listen to the next chapter. So if you can listen to Jo, my colleague who's going to read the next chapter, she'll ask some questions as she goes through the video, and then you can come back here. So click the link. Here are the questions Jo asked during the video. If you didn't hear them, or you didn't have time, or whatever, you can answer them now. Just pause this video and do them. And now it's a chance for me to ask my questions. So we're looking at repetition. Excuse me. So what effect does repeating things have? How does the repetition B uses make you think she's feeling when she says, I'm lost, really, really, really lost? What does it convey to you about how she's feeling? Question 7 is going to ask you to find a sentence that shows that B is feeling confused, and that's on page 22. What could you do to help yourself find that information? We talked about 2 strategies, skimming and scanning. Maybe think about using those now. Question 8 says that the author uses the word stonking. Can you think of a synonym which is a word with a similar meaning for this word? And that's on page 22. And yes, I can say synonym. Okay, so Jo talked about repetition during the reading. She said that B had said, I've got no food, no water, no tent, and I have no idea where my tribe is. Can you find another example of that? It's going to be on page 23. And again, you can use your skimming and scanning techniques. Okay, so that's the end of the 3rd lesson. I'm going to go and get my teeth sorted so that I can say synonym. And I hope you enjoyed the 3rd lesson. And remember that directly after your pre-recorded lesson, there's a live session where I'm here to help and support you if you need that. Okay, everybody. See you for the next lesson.